So these iron under the sink storage compartments are fantastic. They're very durable. The iron is powder coated and very strong, so it's not easily bendable. Has multiple compartments. The shelves slide in and out for easy storage and easy access. Like I said, everything is powder coated black, so it's rust proof, really durable in the humid under sink environment. Has a really strong storage capacity as well. The iron is very strong and not easily bendable.
You can also adjust the height. Depending on your sink pipe and the bottles you're going to place in there, you can adjust the height so the left one is higher and the right one is lower. It's great to store bottles of different heights.
On the bottom, they have suction cups as the feet, so it stays suctioned to the shelf, so nothing spills out. And the shelf actually has an auto lock system. So you can only pull out so far and it locks itself, which is great, so nothing spills out and tips.